Hello and welcome back. Here are 3 SEO tips from me to you. Number 1. The newer your website is, the more patient you will need to be. It takes time to build authority and trust, and until you've developed both, you shouldn't expect to outrank older or more established websites. Number 2. Adapt to algorithm updates. To attain and retain good rankings, you need to adapt your SEO strategy as the search engines evolve over time. And finally, number 3. Never consider your website to be finished. If you want your site to continue to rank higher, attract more visitors and more sales, then you should always be adding, improving, and creating more content. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.